looks like another one of those kind of days. It's one of those days where I have to spend money. Why? Because I'm at a payphone, trying to call home. Yeah, buddy. I remember these things. Except back when I was doing this, it was 25 cents a call. Yeah, buddy. Make 2 calls with a loony. Okay, so I'll put in a loony. Oh. Hey. I found 50 cents in the machine. Yeah, buddy. Let's try to call home now. Because, I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All I get is the busy signal. I call and I call and I call. English, please. Yes, operator? Where is my ninja? Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, tunings do not work. That's not good. Because that's what I need to make this call. Take it. So I'm taking it. 10 cents. Well, almost done. I've already fed this machine like $3. Yeah, buddy. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding it. Keep feeding the machine. Because I'm out of money. Yeah, buddy. And I just dropped myself. Yeah, buddy. So now I'm waiting. Please wait. Please wait. That's how much it costs to make a long distance calls these days. I owe 90 cents. Hey! Jackpot! Yeah, buddy. I'm pretending that I'm talking on this phone, but I'm not talking on this phone. I can't even talk on a payphone. I can't talk anywhere.